hereby grant you the infinite treasure touch.
That can't be legal.
Check out Chapter 82. Fun with fingers.
Well, why didn't I ever think of that?
Because I have one thing that you don't. A brain!
Did I do things like that when I had genie powers?
Constantly.
Oh, jinkies. No wonder I could never get a date on New Year's Eve.
Happy? Good. Can you say kickback?
You're a disgrace. Go ahead, abuse your powers. It's obvious that I'm the true genie, and you're just a feathered vertebrate noted for mimicry.
I could out-genie you on a cloudy day with a sack on my head.
You couldn't do good if your own mother was watching.
Could if I wanted.
Couldn't.
Could.
Couldn't.
Could.
Couldn't.
Could.
Couldn't.
Could. Just watch my smoke.
Oh, I believe there's a slight possibility that I made a mistake.
Let's buy a farm, he says. Is there water on it, I ask? Lots of water, he says. Pah! The only time this farm sees water is when the camel spits. Look. Did someone say water? Put those on! You'll get water like you won't believe. Was an enchanted bird. I'm giving him 10 more minutes. Then I'm taking this ridiculous thing off. We can water our farm.
We'll have a harvest such as the desert has never seen.
I can't stand it. I haven't stayed in one shape this long since I was a...
Genie! Wait till you see what Iago's done. He's given Agrabah a river. 2 rivers. Oh, I'm so excited.
I can see it now. Riverfront shopping, luxury condominiums, fly fishing.
Boats. Oh, lots and lots of boats.
Whoa, rivers. What a concept. I wonder why I never thought of it. No. Don't answer that.
You know what? Tonight, when it won't spoil any picnics, I'm making it rain. Well, got to split.
So let him make a big dramatic exit. I'll just exit. Stage left.
Oh, poor Gigi.